how to transfer USDT from gate.io to gate.io. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you how you can transfer USDT from gate.io to gate.io. Now, to do this is very straightforward. So what do you do first? The first step is to log in into your gate.io account. Of course, just like I've done here, where you see your profile icon, you'll see some icons by the bottom part of the screen. Once you can see all of this, move to the bottom right corner where you can see your assets icon and just click on it. Then once you can see that, you can see three tabs just below your balance, which includes deposit, withdraw, transfer, and just click on transfer. So after clicking on transfer, you'll be brought to the funds transfers page. So on this page, the next thing that you have to do is for you to choose USDT as the cryptocurrency that you'd like to transfer. As you can see, it's already appearing there. Then once you can do that, the next step is for you to move to the transfer direction tab where you can see from to. So click on the two icon and then select the kind of account, this kind of recipient account that you are sending the cryptocurrency into. So if it's perpetual futures or delivery futures or margin option payment account, just select the one that you fall under and then enter in the amount that you want to transfer. So for me, currently I have zero amount of USDT. That is why it is displaying this. But for you, you would see everything. You'll see if you have more than this, you'll be able to type in another amount apart from zero, and then scroll down and click on transfer now, and then you will be taken to the next page where you'll be asked to enter the recipient account email or the UID. So specify the amount of USDT you want to transfer, then double check all the details, including the recipient's information and the amount. Then you'll be asked to enter in your fund password or your Google Authenticator code if you've activated your Google Authentication on the account, and then confirm the transfer, and the transfer would be instant since it is within the same platform. All right, it is that easy. But then if you don't want to make use of the transfer tab, you can also make use of withdraw. You can just click on withdraw, and once you click on withdraw, you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be asked to select your withdrawal coin. The best thing is to select USD. All right, that's the best option if you are transferring from a gate.io user to another gate.io user. Then after that, you'll be asked to select your withdrawal method. All right, so do you want to send crypto transactions to your withdrawal address, or do you want to send assets to gate.io users through phone/email/gate ID? So that is the second option that we're going to select since you're trying to send send crypto to another gate.io user. So you can see you'll be brought to this page. So on this page, you can see the option payee. So you have to select how exactly do you want to transfer this money. Do you want to transfer it by making use of phone number or email or the Gates UID? All right, whichever one is fine. So if it's email, just go ahead and enter in the email address of the user. Then after that, enter in the amounts that you'd like to send. Then once you are done with that, if you want to transfer with an offer, you can do that. Then once you are done, check your details, then scroll down. The send button will be available. Click on send, and then the amount as well as the amount will be sent to the email address, the user whose email address is in this box. Okay, so it is that simple. This is how you can transfer USDT from gate.io to gate.io. Thank you for watching and have a good day.